Ladies and gentlemen, this one right here should be a good one. This should be one fine A main event for the modified animals. Dangerous Dave Hansen. Outside of him, the Silver Bullet. That is Rick Robinson. The 8. This guy is a character. That is Hooter Wilkinson. But he is one hard charging driver. How about Scott McDowell in the 64? The Need for Speed. Scott Seal Coat Incorporated. Number 64. First time out in 6 years. Ted Escobar in the 4X. The 1X is Trucker Dave Hansen, and the 13 is Iron Joe Stackman. Oh, and around goes Robinson. Oh, and around goes Hansen. Tell me these boys don't want that title. Wow, we stay green. It looks like we'll have a restart here. Full tires, main event. And hungry drivers. That's a recipe right there for chaos. Rick Robinson, Dangerous Dave Hansen, those guys. All right, so we're lined up. We'll try it again. So Dangerous Dave Hansen, your CKA president, gonna bring him down. Rick Robinson, the Silver Bullet, on the outside of him, row number 1. Here we go. There though, closes up on the back bumper. Look at Ted Escobar in the 4X, holding down the 4th spot. Oh my goodness, Trucker Dave. Oh gracious. Hansen and Robinson get together. I'm not sure how to take that one right there, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness. More than enough real estate for 2 guys, so not sure what happened there. Just caught the tail end of it. I hope the 33 is all right. So that means that puts Hooter Wilkinson on the point right now in the number 8. Just good hard racing. I don't think there's any need for attitude or anything. It was just good hard racing. Everybody wanting the same amount of real estate. That stuff happens out here. But these guys are chargers. So they lose their cool, but they'll get things squared away. 2 fine competitors. Dave Hansen and Rick Robinson. Just gotta respect one another out there, guys. But boy, these guys are hungry. I told you it was gonna be a doozy. This will be a knockdown, drag out to the finish, hair pulling. Cat scratching main event right here for the modified animals. That's exactly what they are, a bunch of modified animals. So Hooter Wilkinson, guarantee you he can scratch and dig with the best of them in the number 8. But the impressive guy is Ted Escobar. Look at that. Dave Nash, the second Ted Escobar into the lead. And my goodness. goodness, look at Iron Joe Stackman right there in the third spot. Here comes Huda Wilkinson. Oh, he gets a little loose. Hangs on. Oh my goodness. Look at Dave Nash. Takes the lead on a nice move around Ted Escobar. And I'll have you know the 1X blew up his #1 motor in that second heat race. So trucker Dave Nash doing a nice job in the 1X. Got motor swapped. But how about the guy in the number 13? That's Iron Joe Stackman. This guy is a workhorse. If action's what you came to see, they're giving it to you right here in our modified animal class. So Dave Nash, Trucker Dave. In the 1X, your leader, Iron Joe Stackman, Ted Escobar. Check out Rick Robinson. Moved into that 4th spot. Don't count out the silver bullet. Upset. But look at Joe Stackman. Joe Stackman is flat rolling right now. Oh my goodness. Look at Hanson. Rolls into the middle of the race lane. Wow, my oh my. Trying everything for a yellow. He's going to sit there and he is in trouble. Look at trucker Dave Nash right there hanging in the lead. It looks like we're going to wave the caution flag. So Stackman and Dave Nash give a gentlemanly shake there and say good racing, good hard racing. And that's exactly what this is. It doesn't always go your way, and that is the unfortunate part about racing. My goodness.